Hello, welcome our Get Lock channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best measuring tape that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Renpho Smart Tape Measure Body with App Bluetooth Measuring Tapes. The Renpho Bluetooth measuring tape is ideal if you want to take your body measurements while tracking your progress over time. You can do this using the Renpho app, which has easy-to-read graphs and syncs to Apple Health. The tape comes with a handheld monitor connected to it with a large LCD screen. This gives you an instant measurement that automatically saves to the app, avoiding any mistakes and giving you the most accurate and up-to-date results. The retractable easy lock hook allows for 360-degree measuring. It's ideal for baby bumps and measuring the circumference of arms, hips, and legs, etc. The hook makes it easy for you to take your measurements without the need for others to help. This deterioration will be put off for longer. The tape itself is nylon wrapped, which is rust-proof and prevents breakage. Its spring is also a nice feature as it slows down the retraction and prevents snaps and hurt fingers. We are doing a remodel and we're measuring long distances frequently with an older tape measure that kept collapsing, wrote one buyer. What a big difference this makes. This thing will last forever and for the price is well worth the extra function of having a super strong tape. It self-locked immediately after being pulled out, a standout feature that not every tape measure had. It also has smooth and intuitive reel in action and is particularly effective for measuring long distances thanks to its easy-to-read and precise measurements. Number 2, Kohler SL2825 Self-Lock 25-Foot Power Tape. The first tape that we are going to discuss is the Kohler Power Tape. It has a size of 25 foot. This product has a weight of 13.3 ounces and its dimensions are 2.4 x 4.8 x 6.8 inches. This tape has a self-locking mechanism that will allow the blade to get extended in a smooth way. Furthermore, the push will enable the blade to retract when needed smoothly. The Kohler secured the blade in place by itself. When we finished checking measurement accuracy, we pushed a bright green button and the blade retracted smoothly. This is an excellent feature for those who don't want to engage the blade lock by hand, some are quite stiff. Unfortunately, we found the auto lock function didn't work as well at longer lengths. For instance, it engaged at 4 feet, but the blade slipped a bit at 20 feet. Still, the measurements are highly accurate, slipping notwithstanding, and we could use the green button to lock the blade manually. The Kohler also features graphic notations every 16 inches and 19.2 inches, making it well suited for standard framing measurement. The Tang features a fold-down spike that can be fitted over a nail or screw head, and the Kohler comes with a separate bright orange spike for pushing into the ground to determine the origination point. We've used real tapes before that became twisted on the spool when rewinding them up, but the fiberglass tape on the Kohler has just enough stiffness to help keep it straight. At least for us to both do the math in our heads, as well as quickly communicate length to other people. It's also comfortable to hold, and thanks to its rubberized outer shell, is less likely to accidentally mark up your walls when clipped. Glass tape on the Kohler has just enough stiffness to help keep it straight. At least for us to both do the math in our heads, as well as quickly communicate length to other people. It's also comfortable to hold, and thanks to its rubberized outer shell, is less likely to accidentally mark up your walls when clipped. Number 3, Kohler SM5425 Speed Mark Gripper Steel Blade Measuring Tape. The Kohler SM5425 Speed Mark Gripper Measuring Tape features fractional graduations every 1/8 of an inch, as well as a non-glare white blade, so you can easily read measurements. While this measuring tape is slightly heavy at 0.7 pounds, it is super durable and impact resistant with its thick rubber housing and comes at a great price. Plus, the ergonomic design offers a comfortable and secure hold. The clip on the back allows you to attach it to a tool bolt, while the square base allows it to sit upright. The acrylic blade has smooth extension and retraction, but note that it can become less sturdy the longer the distance you're measuring. The SM5425 measures up to 25 feet. There is a locking function for one-handed measuring that does the trick, although the locking button can be a bit stubborn. It on your hip at all times. It weighs just 2 ounces, so you'll barely notice you're wearing it. I've found that this light weight also contributes to its durability. It's made it through some impressive drops that heavier tapes wouldn't have survived. I also love the neon green color of this tape, which makes it easier to spot in your toolbox or a cluttered desk drawer. Once you have taken a measurement, it will record it into the app and instantly calculate your body fat percentage. Thanks to the built-in smart chip, measurements are accurate, and the LCD makes it easy to read and track your process. A great feature of the app is the ability to see what your body shape is. The simple number 4 25-foot tape measure by Kohler easy to read. The main thing that the Kohler 56 to 75-25 has going for it is that its tape comes with markings for both metric and imperial measurements. After being dropped, the Kohler will start to make a purring whirring noise inside its case when moving the blade. However, the retraction and extending the tape measure continues to work just fine. The main issue with the Kohler is the movement of its blade when it's supposed to be locked in position. The tape rolls back slightly into the case when the thumb lock is engaged, changing the measurement. Additionally, the hook on the end of its blade doesn't hold on edges when taking a horizontal measurement. The hard shell protects your tape from debris from filing in and keeps it safe when dropped or accidentally hit with tools. The hook end is great for latching onto wood boards, but it features 2 magnets, which can be useful for holding it in place for measurements sitting atop a metal table. The dual measurement systems are also ideal, according to several customers who work overseas and go back and forth between different measuring units. I like building things and sometimes a project. If you are looking for something flexible, it has an accurately printed scale in both inches and centimeters to cater to your diverse needs. With a small size, it does not take up too much space and you can conveniently carry it in your bag. It is made of highly durable Taylor vinyl that doesn't deform and offers superior measurement consistency for accuracy. The soft plastic material is super flexible. Plus, it has metal tabs on both ends to prevent fraying. Moreover, the black markings on the white tape measure are big enough to allow you to read them even from a distance without needing to go back and forth during your project. Number 5 Milwaukee 26 feet measuring tape measure by imperial inch. If you like the way Milwaukee marks the 4822 to 6625's measuring tape but can't stomach its faults, check out the Milwaukee MLK 53752. The markings are similar, marking out feet, inches, and the fractions for each inch. It features a magnetic hook and, like the Lufkin Black Widow, the Milwaukee's measures are also printed on the bottom. However, I was annoyed by the Milwaukee's rubber wrist strap. It was stiff and kept poking me as I used the tape measure. If you buy the Milwaukee, consider cutting off the strap. It makes this tool a lot more pleasant to use. It can store and track measurements of your neck, chest, shoulder, hip, bust, calves, and thighs. The app will show you in an easy-to-read graph your progress over time, keeping you motivated. Plus, if you need to, you can show others and share your health journey. The tape itself is made from soft fiberglass which is pliable and comfortably fits around any area. It is also designed to be used without the need for help from others. You should be able to easily measure, retract, and lock the tape with only one hand. An impressive fringe benefit on this tape measure, one that didn't appear on any of the others we tested, is a robust magnetic tang. When we positioned the tang against metal, we were able to pull the tape measure backward to extend the blade, and the magnetic tang held firm. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.